Replacing the large roller covers for the 445 Flex Power Roller. Lay the nailer down on its side. To change the large roller cover or bearing, the small roller mounting block must be removed. Remove the 2 hex screws from the small roller mounting block using a 3/16 hex wrench. Mounting block may need tapping to unseat. Note the location of the 2 locating pins for reinstallation. Unscrew the large roller mounting bolt using a 3/16 hex wrench. Remove the bolt with the bearing and cover. Remove the axle from the bearing. Remove the cover from the bearing by cutting or with pliers. Take care not to damage the bearing. You are now ready to install the new cover. Slide the cover over the bearing. Ease the cover over the bearing with fingers or pliers. Keeping pressure on both sides, walk the cover into place. Put the axle mounting bolt through the bearing. Insert the axle with roller into the flex foot. Tighten the axle bolt with the 3/16 hex wrench. Now reinstall the small roller mounting block. Match the mounting pins with the guide holes on the nailer foot. Tap the mounting block to ensure proper placement. Replace the 2 hex screws for the small roller mounting block. Tighten firmly with the 3/16 hex wrench. Repeat the procedure for the remaining roller covers or bearings.